Move-in ready half of duplex in Lakewood Springs subdivision. Newer laminate floors from the living room through the family room. Kitchen with newer sink and faucet, breakfast bar island, pantry closet, and a sliding glass door leading out to the patio. Family room with fireplace. First floor half bath. Master bedroom with ceiling fan light. Walk-in closet. Master bathroom. Second bedroom. Third bedroom. Full hall bath. Laundry closet with newer washer and dryer. Rear exterior. Large fenced yard with stamped concrete patio and playset.